What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building. And I was just sitting here doing a couple of things to some of my guns. And I was like, you know what? Maybe I should just do a quick, I don't want to call it a collection video because this ain't a collection video. This is just some of the guns I had out that I was doing a couple of things to. So these, a collection video, I guess I do need to do one sometime because a couple of people have said they wanted to see one. But right now, we're just going to do a couple of guns I had out that I was working on. First off, take a look at this one. This is my Smith & Wesson SD40. This is my SD40. I got the Baldor blue light, blue laser, you know, the Baldor, what Baldor is this? Baldor S. All right, the Olight Baldor S. And with this, I have the Apex trigger job on it and got all the springs fixed in it. And it's a far cry from what it used to be. The trigger used to absolutely suck on this gun, but I will say this is an awesome gun now. Now that all the stuff has been changed out, and I actually did the grip stippling. You can go to the channel and see how I put the sticker on, because this is not actual stippling. This is a sticker. It's called Handle It Grips, and I actually give a tutorial on how to put that on. So, you know, Handle It Grips on the SD40. Here's my Rock Island 10mm. All right, it used to have a very ugly compensator on the front. I changed that out. Matter of fact, it's still sitting over here. The one that I just took off, it was just like, I did not like it when I put it on. And when people saw the video, they were like, take that off, take that off. All right. So this is the 10mm Rock Island double stack 1911. This is not a 2011 due to the fact that it does not have a removable grip module. This is one big piece of iron. Heavy gun, you know, for a heavy round, I guess. You know, it's a nice gun, and this is at the beginning stages of me working on it. The beginning stages of me working on it. So it's not going to stay looking like this for long. All right, but Rock Island 10mm heavy gun. I like it. I also had the Echelon out. This is Echelon 9mm. This is the one that had the tritium front sight on it, and as you see, I've added a red dot. This is not an expensive red dot. This is one of the ones that I was checking out to see how it works, if it's something, you know, something that is a viable alternative to the expensive ones. All right, so has the extended magazine that comes with it, that, well, extended base plate. And I haven't done anything to this weapon yet. I haven't done anything to this weapon, and I got big plans for it though. You know, there's a place called Modern Pistoleros. You got to go check them out on Instagram and on YouTube. Gonna work with them to get a couple of my guns right. Go check them out. Modern Pistoleros, Garrett. You know, that's my homeboy. I also had my CANIK TP9 SFX Blackout out. I was doing a couple of things with it as well. And this one also has the Handle It Grips on it. Handle It Grips. And I have a tutorial on how to put it on your TP9 SFX. And this has a 4.5 blast on it as well. And I've never shot this gun. This is a brand new gun that has never been fired, but we're about to remedy that. And the only reason I haven't fired it because I have the white out as well, which I don't have out with me right now. And I was like, man, let me go ahead and keep a whole set that hasn't been fired. So that is a story behind not firing this weapon, because this one in the whiteout uh, are brand new, never been fired. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and fire it. Hit me in the comments. Tell me if I should go ahead and shoot it, and tell me if I should go ahead and shoot the whiteout as well. It's number 5374 of 7500. The whiteout is. So let me know. Hit me. Tell me what you think. Also had old girl out, my Tangfolio Defiant Stock Master. Tangfolio Defiant Stock Master. I was playing around with the lights. I saw that I kind of like the way this old light looked with the wood on it, and I was like, you know what, I might put the old light on the Tangfolio. Hit me up. Tell me what y'all think. The brown light with that wood and the gold magwell flare. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I like the lightning cuts on this. It's absolutely awesome. Love this gun. Love this gun. Defiant. Let's see if you can see it etched in there. Defiant Stock Master. Defiant Stock Master by Tangfolio. Very nice shooting weapon. I absolutely love this gun. This is one of my never will get rid of, never will sell weapons. I will keep this forever. Love this gun. Love this gun. All right. Check them out if you're looking for a new weapon. This is my Beretta WARCHIEF M9A4. And I actually put this red win red dot on it, and basically, hold on just a second. Let me grab this over here. I purchased this Trijicon, all right, this Trijicon SRO, and let's see if it'll come into focus. All right, the Trijicon SRO. And what I did is I purchased this red win, and the unboxing is on the channel. The Trijicon right here cost a little over $500. This right here was a little over $100. So I did a comparison video between this and the Trijicon, just to see what the difference is. And I decided that I'll put it on my Beretta because I like to shoot my Beretta, and it'll get a lot of shoot time with it being on the Beretta. See how good it is. And to be honest with you, this looks great as far as the actual reticle and everything. It looks great. And as far as holding it side by side with the SRO, it is holding its own. So this may be a viable option. The jury is still out. I really can't say just yet, but so far so good. So far so good. And again, this is my Beretta WARCHIEF. The Beretta WARCHIEF. I have the old light on it. I have the compensator on the front. I have the WARCHIEF grips, and this is the Beretta M9A4. Beretta M9A4. The other gun that I had out is my CANIK. This is the SFX Rival Steel. Rival Steel. Let me let you get a good look. It has the 4.5 blast compensator on it. Have the Hollow Sun 507C ACSS Olight Balder Pro. And yeah, this is pretty much a what am I trying to say? This is a heavy gun compared to the other guns. Is about as heavy as this Rock Island, and compared to the other rival, this is like leaps and bounds in quality, in my opinion. This is quality built. The trigger is absolutely awesome. Everything about this gun just works, in my opinion. Just absolutely works. And I love this gun. This is another one that will not ever be sold. Will not ever be sold. Like it a lot. I like it a lot. I had a couple of other guns too because we were talking about compensators. This is the Visca Micro, the Micro Visca. So we were talking about this. This is in the beginning stages of customization as well. Have the JMac on the front and, you know, all that. And I am still giving this wood away. Now, the reason that I haven't given it away yet is because I have been out of town for 3 weeks straight. And you know what? My next video is going to be me announcing who I'm giving this to. And, you know, I apologize for the delay on that, but I am still giving this, and I'm giving the grip away, giving all of that away. So it is coming here soon. It is coming here soon. So, yes, I was talking about compensators and all that in one of my earlier videos. So I had this out as well. And let's see. Boom. I had this one out too. This one is my mini. This is my mini Draco, where I have WAS Woodworks wood on it. I polished the bolt. This is a KUSA magazine and have the cheese grater on it. Have the JMac Customs muzzle brake on the front, and you know, just did a whole bunch of stuff to this. Have the Hyperfire trigger on it. Can't forget about that trigger. That's a 2.5 pound trigger, and it is absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. So it's another one that not gonna ever sell. Love this gun. This gun shoots flat. This gun shoots like, you know, I mean, this is one of the best shooting Dracos I've ever put together, with the combination of the way your hand holds it, the JMac brake on the front, and then the light trigger pull. It is a very flat shooting weapon. You know, there are lots of elements that go into making these a flat shooter. And, you know, a lot of people talk crap about Dracos. I talk crap about Dracos, but I look at Dracos as a blank canvas to go ahead and do something awesome with. So, you know, yeah, when they come from the factory, they have a lot to be desired. There's a lot that needs to be done to make a Draco awesome, but they can be awesome. You know, they are, like I said, a blank canvas. Blank canvas. All right. So, you know, that's just few of the guns that I was doing a few things to. And like I say, this is not a collection video. I hit me up, let me know if you want me to do a collection video. I can pull a few more out and talk about a few different ones. So hit me up, let me know that. And also, if you want to follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure you hit them notifications so you get notified every time I drop a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.